Good afternoon. So if you watched my last video, you saw that I put forwards on my Lowrider ST, and the gear linkage, I don't like it. It's just, I wanted it all black, and that's just it's just wrong. But not only that, it's more difficult to change, to alter the level of the shift change. So you've got to undo a nut, and you've got to undo the nut here, you got to pull it off, you got to twist it, and then you got to put it back and try it. Too much fiddling about, don't like it. So what I've bought instead to replace it is this linkage from Thrashing Supply. Now I had this on my ST before, my Lowrider ST before, but obviously because it was mid controls, it was a smaller one. So with this, it's not only is it black, but once you put it on, all you have to do is release the nut, and because there's a left and a right thread on each end, all you have to do is just twist that. So you undo the nut, you twist that to get the right level, right adjustment for your shift change, and it's as easy as that. Do them up again. There's no taking stuff on and off. So I'm going to do that today. And the other thing I'm going to do today is I've bought a easy shift, because one thing I've noticed, a bit strange, and I've heard it from a couple of other people as well, is once you put forward controls on, it can make finding neutral more difficult. And I've definitely found that. I've found it perfectly okay when the engine is off, but when the engine is on, finding neutral is definitely more difficult or more problematic than it was before. It's not a massive issue, but it was more problematic. So I've seen a lot on YouTube about how successful these shifts are, these easy shifts are. Now this one I got from Amazon, and it was £40, which was about half price of what a lot of ones I've seen on. So we're gonna, it's over here, so we're gonna put that on this afternoon while I've got the linkage off. Going to put that on, and there you can see. So we're going to slot that on, and as well as the linkage, and see what difference it makes. So let's get to it. So first thing I've done is to get the new one the same, adjust it so the same size as the other one, because I'm quite comfortable with the position of the shift change at the moment. So got that roughly, I've adjusted it roughly the same size. So I'm just going to undo these and pull these off. So these two are 1/4 Allen keys. That one's threaded into the gear lever, and this one is a same 1/4 Allen key with 1/2 inch nut on the back. So I'm just going to undo those. Okay, so having put the easy shift on, the bolt that comes with it, bit of blue Loctite, that goes in there. Try and get my hands out of the way in a minute. That's a 1/4 Allen. This little grub screw down there is 1/8 Allen. We'll tighten that up in a minute. So get your shift linkage, put your bolt through, and then a little bit of Loctite on there. That's a 12-sided 3/8 socket. Tighten that up, and then at the other end again you've got a 12-sided socket, nut and bolt. So that through there. A little bit of Loctite on. That's a 1/2 inch nut. That's it. I'll just tighten that little grub screw up down there with a 1/8 Allen. Not too tight. And then all you need to do then, I'll bring you around here so you can see it. So to adjust this, all you got to do is loosen these nuts off, both ends, and then you just twist that and it lowers it or highs it. So much easier. I hope you agree. It looks a lot better than that monstrosity, and it's easy to adjust the shifter peg. Absolute piece of cake. All you do is you just twist that, get it to the right adjustment, and then you tighten these two nuts up, and these are both 1/2 inch nuts. So if anybody's interested, this was when I had the mid controls, this was my shifter linkage. Again, thrashing supply, exactly the same as this, but it's for mid. So if anyone is interested, that's well, you can have a look at the video. I think it's about a year old, maybe less. But if anyone's interested in one of these, then let us know in the comments, and we'll come to a deal. Provided you're in the UK. By the time I post it abroad, it's probably not worth having. So anyway, give us a shout if you're interested. That's the one for mid controls. Much easier than the standard shift linkage. It's so easy to adjust. I'm now going to adjust this up to fit me and tighten it up. Job done. So shifter linkage, easy shift. So I've just been out for a nice long ride, and you're gonna have to take my word for it, but I found neutral every time. This easy shift has made such a difference. I'm so pleased, because I was a bit disappointed once I put the forwards on and then neutral became a little bit of an issue. But I think this looks better. So much easier to adjust the shifter lever, and that easy shift, piece of cake to put on. Takes, you know, if you were just doing that yourself, it would probably take you just sort of 20 minutes or so. So easy, and it makes life so much more interesting, and it makes life so much more easy. So really recommend it. I'll try and have a look and see if I can put the link on it below, because this was like 40 quid, which is half the price of some of the other ones. So I'll put the link in if I can find it. Anyway, like I said, ride safe, guys.